Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to add people to Telegram on the app. Firstly, start by opening the Telegram app and tapping on the Contacts tab at the bottom. Tap on Invite Friends within the Contacts section. This will display your phone's contacts. If prompted, grant the app permission to access your contacts. Browse or search for the contacts you want to invite and tap on the dot next to each name to select them. After selecting the contacts, tap the green arrow to send an invite message. Telegram will send an invite as a text message to each selected contact. By following these steps, you can quickly invite your friends to join on Telegram. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials, and I will see you on the next one.